Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add PayPal payments to your Shopify store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have PayPal fully set up and ready for your customers to use. A great way to boost trust and make checkout easier and smoother for everyone shopping your site. All right, let's jump straight in. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is the command center for everything that happens on your store, so make sure you're signed into your Shopify account before continuing. You'll see all your dashboard options here. Think of it as the cockpit for your business. Now, in the lower left-hand corner of that admin page, you'll spot a button called Settings. Go ahead and click that. Settings is where you can really shape how your store works behind the scenes. And this is where you'll find payment options, shipping, and all those nitty-gritty details that keep your store running smoothly. Once you're in Settings, let's move on and find Payments. You'll see this option in the menu, usually somewhere in the middle of the screen. Click on Payments. Here, Shopify lets you manage all the different ways customers can pay you, from credit cards to alternative methods like PayPal. Now, scroll down until you get to the section labeled Additional Payment Methods. This is the area where Shopify offers ways to expand payment options beyond just credit or debit cards. Offering PayPal is a smart move. Lots of shoppers feel more secure using it, and sometimes it's just more convenient for them. Under Additional Payment Methods, you should see PayPal listed. Find it, then click Activate PayPal. At this point, Shopify wants to make sure you genuinely want to add PayPal, so you'll need to click Activate again. This double confirmation is just Shopify's way of checking that you really mean to add this payment method. You wouldn't want to accidentally activate something you don't plan to use. Now, when you click the second Activate button, Shopify will prompt you for some personal info. This is normal, and don't worry, it's secure. You'll be asked for information that helps Shopify and PayPal link your account together, like your business details or contact information. This step is really about making sure that when money starts flowing in, it's going to the right place. Next, you'll need to have your PayPal account ready. If you don't already have one, you can easily sign up for free on PayPal's website. You'll also need to have a credit card linked to that PayPal account. This verifies your identity and helps with payouts and any account validation steps down the line. If you already use PayPal for personal stuff, you can just use your existing account. But if this Shopify store is a dedicated business, it's smart to set up a business PayPal account. That makes accounting and tracking payments simpler in the long run. And that's it. Once you've filled out that little bit of information, Shopify will connect with PayPal, and PayPal will be added as a payment method right in your online checkout. Your customers can now select PayPal as an option, pay securely, and you don't have to lift another finger. This whole process normally just takes a few minutes, but make sure to check PayPal and Shopify emails for any confirmations or further steps, just in case. If you got stuck anywhere or if something just didn't look quite right, don't panic. Every store is a little different, and both Shopify and PayPal have great support resources. Sometimes systems update things or rearrange buttons a little bit, but the process I've shown you will get you set up on nearly any recent Shopify store. I hope this was helpful for you. If you learned something new, or if you now feel confident adding PayPal to your Shopify store, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions or if you ran into a tricky spot, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out personally. And if you want more straightforward tutorials to make managing your store easy and stress-free, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify journey.